everyone. There was a technical glitch, so again, good afternoon, and I'm Ekta Oberoi, a tarot card reader, numerologist, and Vastu consultant. So today, I've come live to do tarot for you according to your personality number. Okay, personality number is the date that you are born on, and we bifurcate in a way from number 1 to 9. So today I'm doing live tarot for people who are born from. Okay, there are people joining in. I'll wait for 5 minutes or maybe 2-3 minutes. So yes, this live video is all about tarot card reading according to your personality number, the date that you are born on. So number one series, I'll just bifurcate the numbers for you so that it's easy for you to know. So number one series people are people who are born on 1, 10, 19th and 28th. Number two is 2, 11, 20 and 29. Number three people are 3, 12, 21 and 30th. Number four is 4, 13, 22 and 31. Number 5 is 5, 14, 23. Number 6 is 6, 15, 24. Number 7 is 7, 16, 25. Number 8 is 8, 17, 26. And number 9 is 9, 18 and 27. So today live tarot is according to your number 1, number 2, number 9 until number 9 series tarot card reading live happening. And at the end of this video, I will pick a few questions and I will answer them. People who share my video, people who like my page, I will get the tag as a sharer. Yes, hi Amrit, you have already shared it. Thank you so much. So I will be answering your question after I complete my readings for personality number 1 to 9. Okay. So yes, there are still people connecting. I'll just wait for a minute or so and I'll start. So before I start, tomorrow is new moon and I do sigil magic. It is a beautiful technique to manifest your dreams. So it is a one-day course that you can do from me. It is just for energy exchanges 999. So people who are interested can get in touch with me on my personal contact number. That's 779-669-6739. Okay. So all set for number one readings. People who are of the number one series, that is 1, 10, 19 and 28. These readings are for you. Okay, so number one series people, beautiful cards for you. Also, I see that the message for you that tarot is guiding you. Definitely, there will be some money gains that you will get. Okay, in fact, some inherited property value money you can get in the coming future. You are in a situation where it's asking you to analyze the situation completely and then make your decisions. And as of now, if you are planning to do major changes in your life in terms of any situation that is there, tarot is guiding you to please keep it on hold and do not make unnecessary changes. Just go with the flow and things will fall in place for you. So definitely there is some money from property gains I do see for you. Number one series, that is 1, 10, 19 and 28. So now it is for number 2. Number 2, 11, 20 and 29. Number two series people, I see that there is lots of mental stress going on in your mind. I also see you are very negative about some situation happening currently in your mind. There is no clarity about that situation, and there are too many why questions that you are that is running in your mind in terms of why this is happening and what it is happening. There is not much clarity for you. Also, I see you are either a dominant person or you are ruled by a dominant person around you. So, definitely, that could be one of the reasons that handling anger is something that you're facing issue with. Also, there is a very creative idea that is running in your mind, and it's just that you are unable to implement it. So if there it's it is a common problem with all the number two series people. I have personally observed that whenever there is a plan of action, or whenever there is an idea running in your mind, you often you get amazing ideas, but implementation of the ideas is somewhere it's a issue for you all to make that first step towards your goal. So I would recommend tarot is also guiding you. Do not hold your ideas within yourself, explore it, and yes, make effective plans, and definitely success will fall in place for you. But yes, there is some mental stress going on, and subconscious mind is troubling you a lot in terms of handling anger or dominance of someone. And also about your child, if you're a mother and if you're worried about your child, definitely it is indicating that also. So too much mood swings and mental stress levels are very high for number two people. So I would recommend that please do yoga and meditation. It will help you. It is going to be your lifetime medicine. And yes, beautiful cards, yet some mental stability is required. So spend time on yourself, and this will really bring a lot of peace in your mind. Okay, so now it is for number three people. Number three series is 3, 12, 21 and 30th. Let's see what tarot has for you. Number three people, I see that again you are ruled by someone who is a dominant personality around you. There is a situation which you are stuck in and which is unclear. So tarot is advising you to to analyze the situation properly. Also, a travel is indicated for you. So if you are planning to travel, or if you are stuck in a situation where you feel that financial situation is not right currently, and if you are worried about that, then do not worry, things will fall in place for you. And definitely travel is indicated for you, maybe an overseas people who are planning to travel overseas. I do see travel is indicated for you. And yes, there is some hardship that is going on currently in your life, in terms of it could be any situation. So please keep patience is what tarot advising you, and things will fall in place for you. So it's just asking you to analyze this situation and then make the decision of the travel perspective, also looking into the situation around in the world at the moment. Okay. So yes, now it is number 4, 4, 13, 22, 31. These readings are for you. Please share my video, and people who are sharing it, I'm getting the sharer badge. So I will answer your questions later on after I complete the readings for 1 to 9. And show me some likes and hearts. Okay, beautiful cards for number 4 people. Okay, number 4 people, I see that there is some type of situation which was in your favor in the past. The decisions that you have made in the past is fruitful. Also, what your soul is looking for, you have identified that the long-term purpose, and you know a lot of clarity about how your life is gonna be in the next few months, maybe. Also, I see that you are planning to take any risk. Maybe it is in love matter or in your business. There is a risk factor that you are planning to take. So please go ahead, that will bring fruitful results for you. And yes, if it is a business related thing which you are stuck and you have no guidance, so tarot is definitely guiding you that you can take this risk, it will be fruitful for you. And yes, you have beautiful cards, and your sole purpose you actually know now, where you were stuck in the past where things were not clear for you. But at this given point, tarot is telling me to tell you that you know what your soul wants, and if you make effective plans to go on that route will definitely bring success to you. So if any risk that you're planning to take, you can go ahead and take the risk. Okay, so now it is for number 5, 14 and 23. Okay, so number 5, 14 and 23, I see that you were lost in the past. You were not clear about the direction. If you are young and you're looking for what to do in the career front, then definitely there is some clarity that you have got, or if not, then definitely you will get the clarity in the coming future. Also, once you start that thing to do in your life, maybe in your love life or in your professional or in your job, business, anything that you're planning to do, your vision is very clear and you're very determined and you know what you're supposed to do. So if you go on that direction, then definitely the success will fall in place for you. I also see a beautiful card if you're waiting for any deal, or maybe if you're waiting for anything, any result that is coming in for you and you're waiting for that, then that is going to be positive for you. And yes, a beautiful idea also if you're planning to implement, then once you start, nothing can stop you. It is just the start that you have to do, the beginning, the start process is something that you need to be determined, and you just start with the flow and things will definitely fall in place. There is lots of clarity for you as well. So I'm seeing that people are getting a lot of clarity nowadays in these readings, that today's readings is coming up. So which is good. After a couple of months of lockdown, we all know now what should be our next step. So let's see for number 6, 6, 15 and 24. Beautiful cards for 615 and number 24, number 6 series. There is lots of emotional bonding which is developing with someone. Also, you are somewhere stressing about a relationship in your life, or maybe something related to your finances. So yes, things will fall in place for you, and as of now I would say that you are lacking patience. There is no patience left for you because you know what the solution is, and you have no patience basically. So as of now I would suggest keep patience, and definitely success is on the route for you. Also, for people who are single, there are opportunities for you to get your life partner. There is lots of emotional bonding that will happen with someone special. Also, I see that you are very clear about your path, and yes, some stress is a part of your life at the current situation. So I would recommend keep patience, and yes, success will fall. You say beautiful, Ace of Cups, beautiful. So yes, emotional bonding is what you're looking for, and you are definitely getting it. It's just that fall in place. Okay, so now it is 7, 16 and 25. born on 5 of any month, these readings are for you. This is a number 7 series readings. So I see that you are stressed about your health, or maybe health of your loved one, maybe your mother. So I see that there is some health issues indicated on your card. So I would suggest take rest. Also, I see that lots of mental stress is going on in number 7 people's life in terms of anything it could be. But at the same time, I do see a small celebration that will come in your life very soon. It could be anything. It could be a news of pregnancy. It could be a news of job. It could be news of some happy moments that can bring some kind of celebration in your life. Maybe an outing that you're looking for. Maybe a small trip or small visit somewhere you're planning to do. So there is definitely some type of celebration, some type of enjoyment I do see. But do not ignore your health. Your health is indicating some issues, mental stress issues, and I think everyone is going through that at the current situation. So yes, take care of that, and rest. I see good positive outcome. A small celebration is there for you. Okay, so now it is number 8, 8, 17 and 26. So 8, 17 and 26 people who are of number 8 series. I see that marriage is on the card for you. If you are single, then definitely marriage is on the card for you. If you are planning to get married, then this is the best time for you to search for the partner, and you can tie the knot anytime now. Also, I see that if you are very very stubborn in making your choices for your partner, then I would suggest that be little flexible. Please change the priority list for your partner if you're finding delays, because number 8 ka aisa hota hai. Number 8 people face lots of delays in life. So if you're not getting married, and if you really want to get married, then tarot is suggesting you to shuffle the priority list, and definitely you will find your soulmate soon. So that is the clarity that tarot is asking you to change your thought process about someone. If you are very stubborn about something, about the choice of your partner, then definitely make changes into that, and yes, you will find your soulmate. Also, I see travel is indicated for number 8 people. So yes, if there is a road trip indicated for you, so if you have already planned about any trip, then definitely you can go ahead. It's beautiful cards. Okay, so yes, marriage is definitely indicating a small celebration, property buying, everything is indicated for number 8 people. So good cards. Okay, it's just asking you to change your priority list for your partner. So now it is number 9, last but not the least, number 9, 18 and 27. Universal number it is, number 9. Because any number that you add, that you multiply, or that you add to number 9, it will again come to a single digit number 9. So that is why it is known as a universal number, powerful number. So let's see number 9, 18 and 27. After this, I'm going to answer your personal questions, people who have shared my video. Okay, so number 9 people, beautiful cards for you. There is some good news coming your way, or maybe an offer that will be proposed to you, and you can definitely take this process, this offer in your life. It could be people who are looking for a job, people who are doing business and looking for some deal to get closed. I definitely see this deal getting closed, and you will be getting the offer. Some good news is on your way, and yes, it could be anything. Someone can propose an idea to you, and maybe you are the one who will decide whether to go ahead with the idea or not. So yes, and the money deal, if you're looking for the money proposal, or maybe if you have given any interview and if you're seeing that whether I'll be getting this offer or not, then definitely upon your hard work you will definitely receive what you deserve. So I do not see anything negative about your readings. All is positive. It's just asking you to make the right negotiation. If there is a negotiation going that is going to take place in your life, then be generous and consider other person's view also, and then make your decisions, because that deal will definitely get closed. And don't be rigid about the money perspective. You have to see the other person's idea also. What is it, what their income also should matter to you. It's not that only you have to see that this is what I'm getting, so then only I'll close the deal. Don't do that, because you can definitely lose on that. So yes, negotiation, some part of negotiation will happen, but the things will fall in place. It will be in your favor. Okay, so number 9 people, good news coming your way. A deal can get closed, a new promotion, a new offer letter is on your way. So things looks positive for you. So now thank you so much, and for these numerological readings for all the number series. Now I will answer personal questions, people who have shared my video. Okay, I would answer first for Amrit, because Amrit has already shared many a times. And Amrit Podal, you want to know, when will I get job? Okay. So see, now you are 9th October 1998. I just did the reading for you. So if you have applied, I think the readings will work for you. So let me see. Okay, Amrit, I see that with the help of a man, you can get the job in the next 3 months. Okay, that is August, September, October. But definitely, I see the job that you are looking for, you will get it in the month, in the period between November, December. Okay, the job that you are looking for, you will get it between November to December. Also, it could be possible that if you give an interview in November, then that deal can definitely get closed soon for you. And yes, the news can come anytime. Have you applied it anywhere? If yes, then the joining letter can happen anytime for you. Again, there is a beautiful card that good news is going to come about the offer letter for you. So the period that is indicating me is November, December. And with the help of a man, you can definitely get in the next 3 months, but most likely it is November, December. Okay, the offer that you are looking for. So next, Ritu, this one is for you. Please read for my love life with Aditya. Does he have feeling for me when he will contact me? Okay, I will do a love relation reading for you. Okay, Ritu, 1 minute. Okay, Ritu, I see that your love relationship is not showing me any major issues as such, but yes, I do see that you are not very clear about something which is there in this relationship. you are basically assuming a lot of things in this relationship, that he may be involved with some lady or something like that, or maybe he is ruled by his mother, is what I see. Also, you are motivating him maybe to do something on the career front, and he's not able to understand your idea or something like that. But overall, if you ask me, I see that there is lots of emotional bonding which is there between you guys, and this is just a time period that has brought some differences in your life in terms of something. Maybe you are kind of dominating him about some decisions that he should do, and he is not listening to you. Okay, so some related to finances, or maybe about the career front, or maybe about marriage or something like that. About the feelings, I do see he has feelings for you, and he wants to be with you, is what I see. It's just that you have to be don't impose your decisions on him, because you're very strong at your principles level and very strong with your decisions. So I would recommend that you should give him little benefit of doubts. Okay, because you are more perfect, I see that in your numbers also. And he is also intelligent, but kind of he can make mistakes as compared to you, so that is what bothers you. And then you guide him and he doesn't listen, and that could be the reason of your having a misunderstandings happening in your life. So but overall, I see that it's a good bonding. So yes, there is lots of emotional love from his side also. And give him a call if he's not contacting you. You please go ahead and call, because I see that 22 October, so he is a number 4 vibrations with little aggressive nature, so little arrogance, and very strong headed and determined. So but he is soft hearted also. So I would recommend, please go ahead and make a call. Do not wait for his call. Okay, so now next is Kunal. Kunal, you are 21st November 1994, and you want to know that you are single since a long time. What future holds me next in love and career? Guys, please be specific, and only one question. These are two questions. So I would just do a general reading, Kunal. For you, I'll pull a card for your love life and for your career life. Okay. And please ask me only one question, people. There are many people who wants to know this, who wants to take this tarot guidance. Okay. So Kunal, you want to know you are single and what future holds for you in your love life and career life. So guys, please like and share my page. Please like and share my video. Okay, Kunal, I see that for your love life, I do see that there is some delay happening in your love life. Also, your love life, I feel that you want to first settle your career and then go ahead with the relationship thing. This is what is running in your mind. Also, I see that you want to earn, or maybe you are looking for a career, or you already have a career. So overseas is what I see your love life is indicating me. So maybe your soulmate is not in at the current place where you are located. It is indicating that she could be in a different place altogether. Also, love life, I do not see. I feel that if you are already looking for someone, it's taking a little longer than expected. Okay, so love life, I would recommend that you need to make a lot of efforts to get your love life on track. And yes, I do see that. 1 minute, your message has gone up. So, your date of birth, can you write it again? 21st November 1994. Okay, so it's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 10. So yes, I do see that your total is number 1. So definitely, number 1, people do face issues in their love life. So I would recommend, if you have made any fixed priority list for your life partner, that she should be in this way and that way. You have to make few changes there. You have to be adjusting towards it. Also, so this is for your love life. I also see there is lots of regrets that you have in mind, maybe about your past relationship, what is holding you, and there is a regret feeling about your love life or your work life. So please do not regret on things that have already passed. So I would recommend concentrate on the things that you have currently. Your career front, I see that there is lots of stress that is going on in your mind in terms of career also. So there is not much clarity for you. I will tell you why. If you have not yet started your career, so I would recommend you, being 21, you are of number 3 vibration. So definitely to stick on one career is difficult for you because you are multi-talented, you have multi-skills. In fact, you are good at many things. Hence, when you start of doing something in life, you are again, you will divert your mind to something else. So you have to be focused, and whatever you start, please go ahead with full determination. Success is definitely there for you because the total of your date of birth is number 1. So long-term success is definitely there for you. It's just asking, tarot is asking you to be clear with what line do you want. Okay, so lots of regrets is happening in your life and you are just thinking about your past. So come out of your past, and the decisions that you made in the past were not fruitful. I would recommend, come out of that zone and plan your future. Plan your future. So yes, now it is खुशू. प्लीज़ रिप्लाई, मेरी शादी कब तक होगी और जॉब. एक ही क्वेश्चन खुशू मैं आंसर करूँगी, तो आप मुझे लिखिए कि आपको क्या ज़रूरत है. ओके, थैंक यू फॉर योर लाइक्स एंड हार्ट्स. मेरी शादी कब तक होगी. ओके, खुशू, आई सी आपकी शादी जो मुझे दिख रही है वो नेक्स्ट ईयर दिख रही है, ईयर 2021 में. एंड दिस ईयर आई सी वेरी लेस चांसेस फॉर यू. अगर आप अगले साल कर लेंगे तो बहुत अच्छा होगा, नहीं तो उसके बाद डिले होगा. तो मुझे एज ऑफ नाउ जो दिख रहा है, आपकी शादी जो मुझे दिख रही है कब तक होगी, वो मुझे नेक्स्ट ईयर दिख रही है. ओके, और आपको जानना है खुशू कि आपकी जॉब कब तक लग जाएगी. ओके, मुझे दिख रहा है खुशू कि आपकी जॉब इस साल लग सकती है. इस साल मुझे लगता है आप कुछ ट्रैवल भी प्लान कर रहे हैं, तो इस साल, अभी अगस्त है, तो विद इन 1 ईयर आपकी जॉब कभी भी लग सकती है. ओके, it's not showing me any definite time, so hence I'm not able to tell you, but yes, it is definitely showing me that within 1 year's time आपकी जॉब लग जाएगी. तो I think अभी से जो आपका 1 साल है वो बहुत अच्छा है, शादी के लिए भी और जॉब के लिए भी. So plan accordingly. Okay, okay, now this is for okay, Vidhi, you want to know, is this a good time to get a home? Vidhi, please share my video. Vidhi, Tarot is asking me to tell you, please wait. As of now, do not be into a rush of buying a new property. So it is asking me to tell you, please wait for some time. This is not the good time to buy a new home. Okay. So people who are sharing my video are gonna get the free readings. Okay. So I will see the sharer badge and then I will answer your questions. So people, okay, now Bhavna, hello ma'am, please read for my husband's health for the coming year. Bhavendra. Okay. Bhavna, this is for you. Bhavna, I see that your husband is taking a lot of stress about the past decisions that he has made. Also, he is regretting on those a lot. He's stressed about health of someone really close. It could be you or his mother or someone who is not doing very great about in the health terms. Also for your husband, I see that in terms of financial thing is ruling his mind and he's stressing a lot about it कि financial situation कब ठीक होगा, you know. So this is what I see for your husband's reading. Health is okay, not something related to physical thing, but mental level is what is impacting on his body, and it's showing me somewhere that he should take care. And yes, if doctor guidance is good for stress management, so you can take definitely consult a homeopathist for it. No side effects, stress level will reduce, and it really helps for people who are facing stress issues. So homeopathy is very good with no side effects. So people who are dealing with stress and extreme stress can definitely go for homeopathy medicine. Also I see that he's impatient about some decisions that is due to happen, you know. तो वो उसके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा सोच रहे हैं, मतलब सोच इज उनको बहुत ट्रबल कर रही है और वो उनकी हेल्थ में भी दिख रही है. तो आई वुड रिकमेंड प्लीज गाइड हिम, काउंसिल हिम. Things will fall in place. It's all about patience, so we all have to keep patience depending upon the current situation about the nothing much can be done, so you have to counsel him. But overall I see that health for him is fine. It's just that normal stress level जो सभी के बड़े हैं इस time पे because of pandemic situation, so nothing to worry as such. It's just generally what is going on in his mind is actually getting impacted on his body. So you can ask him to take a break, a small enjoyment type of a thing in the house, you know. So that will just help him to be at cheerful mood, you know. So yes, this was for your husband. Okay, Pankaj Sabharwal wants to know when we will get COVID vaccines. Okay, let's see what Tarot has to say for this, for the COVID vaccines. Let's all see what Tarot has for the world. Okay. I see that COVID vaccine will come by the end of this year, that is year 2020, and things are definitely falling in place for all the COVID people who are fighting COVID, and for all of us. The vaccine is going to come soon, anytime from now. And yes, I see positivity for the positive answer for the COVID vaccine. So this year, anytime it can come. Okay. So this is for all of us. Thank you so much for asking this questions. Means a lot. Okay, so this is Dolce. Dolce would like to know relation and future, what problem will come. See, don't ask about what problem will come. I'll do a reading, a love reading for you, Dolce. 1 minute. Okay. Okay, Dolce, this love reading is for you and Akshay Ahuja. It does show me that there is lots of misunderstanding happening between you people, and there is lots of things which are unclear to you both. Okay, it is not that only you are facing issues; even he is not able to to convey his message to you, and there is lots of complications in this relationship. Okay, so what problem you are asking me will come? Problem is nothing but it is asking you to solve the problem by talking to each other and understanding each other. See this, the High Priestess card has come as the outcome of this relationship, which is indicating that things are still unclear in your life in terms of this person, and whatever topic of discussion is there, it has to be mutually discussed. There is lots of assumptions that has happened in this relationship, and which is on a toss. Okay, and um, he's also very strong headed, and yes, I see that he is also stressed about many things. There is not much clarity in this lies. So please talk to each other about, or involve a third person who can solve this problem for you, because many things, still you are unable to express yourself to Akshay. So I would recommend that please talk to someone, or maybe a mutual friend with whom you can discuss and solve the issues that is going on. So I see that your relationship is currently in a state where lots of clarity is, and problem is nothing, it is just asking, there is lots of misunderstandings. So problem, we have to work on a solution, not a problem. So the solution to this is, please talk to someone, a middleman who can help you in this situation. Maybe a lady who is very good at helping, very close to you, or maybe her, or maybe a common friend who can help you in this, and she will be genuine. Her guidance will definitely help you to solve the current issue which is happening in your relationship. Okay, so overall I see that lots of communication is required, which is lacking. Okay, so yes, this was for Dolce Bhatia. Khushu, I've already answered your question. You can get back to the video and see it later. Asked me a question about future married and your physical relationship with your partner. So I will be answering in general about your future, your married life. Okay, 1 minute. Lucky, I do not see your future. I see that you have been. Uh, 1 minute. Okay. I I see that your married life will be concern for you, because whatever compatibility you are looking for yourself in terms of having a partner, you may not get that. So I would recommend keep patience, and yes, it's average, not very great. So if you are already into a relationship, then see, you can see what best can be done. And please do not use such type of language about the sexual life and all. Okay, it doesn't sound that decent on such a big platform. So you can just ask me normal questions like your married life and in general. Okay, so please do not ask me such questions henceforth. Thank you. So I hope I've answered all of your questions. श्रीवास्तव, यू आर मेंशनिंग आपका काजल फैल रहा है. आप प्लीज काजल पे ज्यादा ध्यान मत दीजिए. आप क्वेश्चन पूछिए अगर आपके पास कोई है. नीरज, यू कैन शेयर माई वीडियो एंड आई विल बी एबल टू आंसर. ओके. Okay, Priya Kansal, this is for you. You want to know about your health and married life. Okay. Priya, if you're married, then please mention that you're married, or if you're looking for marriage, then please write that, okay? Because married life होता है कि अगर आप already marriage में हैं, so mention your partner's name. अगर आप marriage life में अभी नहीं गए हैं, तो please write when will I get married, okay? Be very specific about the question. Priya, I will answer your question about your health, and for the married, you can just clarify the question that I have asked you, okay? Last few readings, guys, that I'm going to do now. Okay, okay, Priya. So you're not married. Priya, I see that health wise, it is indicating me to tell you that you are facing issues because of someone else's anger. If that is the case, then it is asking you to please be patient, and yes, it is impacting you somewhere, and you have to things are not clear to you in terms of your direction in life. So that is what is bothering you a lot mentally. It's expecting you to maintain a physical and mental balance. So please do any kind of exercise that can help you release your emotions. Okay. There is a lot of clarity that you need in terms of your career, in terms of your married life, and many things. Okay. So actually, all those thoughts are troubling you inside somewhere, and it is impacting your stress level and your body. So but nevertheless, I see that a positive outcome is there for you. So if you can take personal guidance for this from me, or maybe from someone else who can guide you in your life. And yes, I do see that success will fall in place when things get clear to you. So right now, looking into this situation, I would recommend to keep patience, okay? And don't think a lot about things which are not very clear. In fact, talk to someone who can help you find a way out, okay? Just don't confuse yourself with your own thoughts. Whenever आपके मन में जब thoughts run करते हैं ना, किसी से बात करिए, आपको उसका solution मिलेगा. आप अपने अंदर ही नहीं तो assumptions बना बना के उसका कोई direction ही नहीं होगा. ठीक है? So Pratibha, you haven't shared my video. Okay, now I'm getting it. Financial, you want to know your husband Tushar's financial success in the near future. Okay. Last few readings, guys. Actually, tarot reading takes a lot of energy, and the reason we all tarot readers ask you to share our video is because these energies that we are sharing with each other, it has to be some exchange to it. Okay, so sharing the video means is just that you are exchanging energy level. Okay, because lots of energy goes into tarot reading. So I hope you now know why we ask for share our video, share our video. So there is some sort of energy exchange happening. Okay. Okay, Pratibha, this is for you. Your husband's finances, I look, there isn't any issue as such. In fact, if he's looking for some partnership, then definitely he can go ahead with the partnership thing in terms of his business. If he's trying to expand, then definitely he should do. He may be into two minds about expanding the business or maybe taking a new step towards it. If that is the confusion, then tarot is asking you to come out of that confusion, and you can definitely go ahead with some new proposition that can come in your life in the coming future. Also, I see that he has got a lot of ideas which is ruling in his mind in terms of getting the business into the next level, or maybe many options running into his mind. So little clarity is needed, that because those options may not be so real to be worked on. Those are like a dream world, you can say, options available. But overall, I see your finances will be good. Few analysis will be required to be done here and there. A new partnership is what I see can happen for the new financial year, or maybe in the coming future. So yes, overall it's good, nothing to worry as such. Okay, so Hiran Patel, you want to know how will your relationship be? Will we end up together in the future? Hiran, please write your partner's name. That will be helpful for me. Uh, Hiran, I'm not able to understand. You have mentioned two dates, so I want to know what exactly, what is the name of the person, and date of birth you can share, but I want to know the name of the person with whom you are looking for this relationship question. Okay, so please write that. Okay, so Hiran Patel, 14 July 1991 is your date of birth, and his date of birth is 14 July 1990. How will our relationship be? 1 minute. Hiran, I don't see much problem in this relationship. I do see that commitment is somewhere is the issue, and commitment part is something which is bothering you a lot. Okay, maybe he's not committing and he's not sure. You are feeling that he's not sure about this relationship. So lots of things are there in this relationship. I see that if he is determined, this relationship will work, and I don't see an end to this relationship as of now. So right now I cannot say that it will end, because things are not, tarot is not telling me to tell you that, because I don't see this relationship ending. Also, it is just that a commitment issue is what I see, which you are facing right now. Maybe he's not committing, and he's stressed maybe about his career is what I see, and he's planning, his concentration is more on that, which you are not very okay with it, because you also want a committed relationship. So there is some type of commitment level which is happening, which is creating the issue. So I would suggest, please wait. Also, if you are planning for a road trip, I would recommend, please go ahead, plan a small outing together, so that it can build the gap, you know. So yes, a road trip can be indicated, so I don't see any other problem. Okay, so patience, I don't see it will end. Thank you, Pratibha. Okay, Rajni Singh, you want to know about your business of your husband in the future. Okay. Okay, Rajni, I see that going to be fruitful. Whatever efforts you all have taken in the past, the results will be definitely fruitful for you all. See that add-on income, add-on add-on some additional income is what I see coming your way in the coming future. So if you are currently doing a business, and if you're planning that another business or this idea can generate more income to you, or maybe some modulation in your business, then definitely it will generate good income for you. So you can go ahead with it, and I don't see any issues. I see that your husband's finances are running into someone else's health. मतलब पैसा आपका ना थोड़ा बहुत हेल्थ की चीज़ों में जा रहा है, या मे बी इन द कमिंग फ्यूचर इट इज़ इंडिकेटिंग मी दैट इट कैन इंडिकेट some type of health issues where money will get more invested into that. So please take care of the health, and yes, I do see some stressful moments are currently going on, but in the coming future it's not telling me any negative aspect about your husband's business. It will be fruitful. The results will be depending upon the hard work that you all have done even during this pandemic time. Okay, so the result will be fruitful according to the hard work that you all are doing to run the business. So okay, so Rajnika, I've done. Okay, Priya, you are not married, I've already answered it. Anurag, please share my video, and also what you want to know about your future. Okay. Anju, please share my video so that I can answer your questions. Guys, I'm here for a very short time now. So, Anurag, please mention what you want to know about your future. You are 25th August 1992. So, what you want to know about your future? Okay, Anurag, you want to know about your future. So, I'll just do a general reading about your future. Okay. You had mentioned your date of birth as 25th August 1992. 1 minute. Okay, Anurag, I see that lots of delays happening in your life, and I see that is troubling you a lot. You are always in two minds whether you should do this or whether you should not do it, and that is causing a lot of confusion in your mind. So I would suggest that your coming future, it indicates me that you need a guidance from someone who can guide you on the path that you are on, because somewhere there is lack of direction, lack of focus, and lack of clarity, I must say, about the coming future. So a man is showing that can help you on your career front, and also if there is any love relationship, you may be disturbed about that, about the breakup that must have happened or can happen in the near future, and you are basically emotionally hurt somewhere of someone. So I would recommend that in the near future, what I see that you should take personal guidance from someone who can help you in terms of the next step that you must take in your life. Also, as per your, this is the tarot guidance, as per your numbers, I see that you are 25th August 1992. So being a number 7, and your total number is number 9. So expected delays are definitely a part of your life. But as you grow in age, your struggle in life will reduce a lot. So yes, it is a phase of number 7 and 9, which they have to go through all these things. So self love is what I suggest you to practice, because you seek who loves you purely, and in return you do not get that much of love. So I would recommend that you should stay positive, and you just give your love to people who needs it, rather than expecting in return, because the expectation that you have from people will never be met. To be honest, it will not match your expectation level. तो आप हमेशा ज़्यादा देने वाले होगे और रिटर्न में आपको मिलेगा, लेकिन इतना नहीं जितना आप चाहते हो. ठीक है. To be honest, we have to set up the right expectation. So your number speaks that to me, that being 25th August, you are definitely intelligent, and very much intelligent, and yes, some direction in life can definitely lead you to top positions, and you will definitely grow, but delay is there. Okay. एंड इन टर्म्स ऑफ लव लाइफ, अगेन आई एम सेइंग, आप जितना दोगे उतना आपको थोड़ा कम मिल सकता है. ओके. अवॉइड नंबर 8 इन योर लाइफ. ओके. 8 अवॉइड करना. ठीक है. बिकॉज 8 नंबर में ऑलरेडी कार्मिक होता है और ऑलरेडी उसमें और डिलेज होते हैं. तो आप जब, एंड मेनली 7 पीपल विल बी इंक्लाइन टू गेट मैरिड टू नंबर 8 पीपल समवेयर और दी अदर. So I would recommend avoid if you can. If not, then it's up to you. So delays will be part of your life. Okay. So Subhasmita would like to know, when will you get expected lecturer job? So Bhasmata, I see by end of this year you will definitely get your lecturer job. Okay, I expect some delays happening, but don't worry. Just be with the competition that you may be having around. Someone can backstab you. So tarot is asking you to be cautious about your next step towards getting this job. And I see by the end of this year you should get the lecturer job. Okay. So yes, so and expects, general delays do expect, because this year is pandemic year and things are not very clear to everybody. Even people who are running the institution, they are not clear about their next step. So just keep a practical approach towards it. But at the end of this year, I do see that you can get the job, lecturer job, anytime from now. Thank you, Hiran, for writing such an accurate reading. Means a lot. Thank you so much. संतोष पाटिल जी, आपने लिखा है दैट यू आर रनिंग हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम, एनी रेमेडीज फॉर इट? आई वुड सजेस्ट आपकी जो भी मेडिसिन हैं उसे आप नॉर्थ ईस्ट में रखिए. नॉर्थ ईस्ट के बाजू में एक एरिया होता है, जस्ट नेक्स्ट टू नॉर्थ ईस्ट देर इज नॉर्थ ईस्ट एरिया where you can keep your medicines in a green color box. Okay, ग्रीन कलर के बॉक्स में आप जो मेडिसिन्स ले रहे हैं आप रोज़ लीजिए उसको, और उसको अगर आप सिल्वर ग्लास से पानी पी के लेंगे तो आपके लिए बहुत बेनिफिट होगा. एंड दिस रेमेडी इज़ फॉर एवरीबडी, सो एनीबडी कैन डू इट. 16 नवंबर 1990. आज मेरा इंटरव्यू है 5 बजे, क्या मुझे जॉब मिल जाएगी? आकाश त्यागी, 16 नवंबर 1990. ओके आकाश, मुझे दिख रहा है कि आपको ये जॉब मिल सकती है. ओके, एंड यस यू आर थिंकिंग अ लॉट अबाउट इट, और वो आपकी कहीं ना कहीं हेल्थ में भी अप्लाई करेगा. तो जब भी आप ये इंटरव्यू देंगे तो प्लीज़ आप कॉन्फिडेंस से इंटरव्यू दीजिएगा. डू नॉट गेट नर्वस, व्हाट टैरो इज सजेस्टिंग. एंड ये आपकी मनपसंद जॉब, मुझे लगता है आप ये चाहते हैं जॉब करना. तो मुझे दिख रहा है कि आपको ये मिल सकती है, लेकिन आपको बहुत कॉन्फिडेंटली वहाँ पे बात करनी पड़ेगी. ठीक है, तो 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so you're number 1 and this is 16 November. Akash, I would suggest if you get orange juice, okay, if you get from somewhere orange juice, you just drink orange juice and you go. And when you sit for the interview, ठीक है, जब आप मुझे नहीं पता आपका इंटरव्यू पर्सनल पे है कि वीडियो पे है, आई रियली डोंट नो, बट अगर आपका इंटरव्यू पर्सनल लेवल पे है तो आप जब वो इंटरव्यूअर के सामने जाएंगे ना तो आप अपने राइट में बैठना. ठीक है, यू सिट लिटिल ऑन द राइट साइड, नॉट ऑपोजिट. Okay, so that will create a lot of positive environment for you, and chances are more to get select if you adapt this, and this is applicable for everyone. अगर आप कोई बिजनेस डील में जाते हैं, अगर आप इंटरव्यू के लिए जाते हैं, अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपकी चीज़ें पसंद आए सामने वाले को, तो आप हमेशा उसके अपने राइट साइड में बैठिए, मतलब उसका लेफ्ट साइड हो गया. तो उससे क्या है ना, आपको वो पर्सन की बहुत सपोर्ट मिलती है. अगर आप ऑपोजिट बैठेंगे ना तो डेफिनेटली देयर विल बी क्लैशेस. इनफैक्ट इवन इन योर रिलेशनशिप यू कैन अप्लाई दिस. अगर आप अपने हस्बैंड से बात कर रहे हैं या अपनी वाइफ से बात कर रहे हैं, आप हमेशा अपने राइट में जाके खड़े रहिए, and you will see the person will you know there will be lots of positive environment, and the person will understand to what you're saying. So I hope this tip will help you all. So always stand towards your right, not opposite. husband wife में आप जब भी देखेंगे opposite खड़े रहते तो क्या हो जाता है, तो जब, लेकिन अगर आप राइट में खड़े रहेंगे तो कॉन्वर्जेशन जो 100% की होती है वो 50% पे आर्ग्यूमेंट 50% हो जाएगी. सो दिस विल हेल्प. ओके, so last 2 or 3 readings. Natasha, I don't see the sharer badge. What is your question? Please write it. संतोष पाटिल, यू हैव नॉट शेयर्ड माई वीडियो, बट मैंने आपको हेल्थ के लिए टिप दे दिया है, तो वो आप वीडियो में सुन सकते हैं बाद में. आकाश, आपने हिंदी में बोला है तो मैंने हिंदी में बोला है. आप जब जाएंगे तो आप अपने राइट हैंड साइड में जाके बैठिए इंटरव्यू के लिए. ओके परी, प्लीज. Dolcy, you want to know that he is not talking to you and you are trying since 4 months. He is influenced for someone. So उसकी तरफ से कोई फीलिंग है आपके लिए. ओके डॉल्सी मुझे कोई 100% फीलिंग नहीं दिख रही. ही इज़ नॉट कमिटिंग टू यू डायरेक्टली एंड यू नो आई सी इन योर रीडिंग्स के कमिटमेंट इज़ द इशू एंड the relationship that you have. I'm sorry, but I have to speak the truth what tarot is telling me. So it is indeed telling me that you see him as your soulmate, as everything, and this relationship means a lot to you. But उसके मन में flirtatious thing है, उसके मन में अभी commitment नहीं देना है, and he is not truthful to you as of now is what I see in the current situation. But in the coming future, when I come live, you can again ask me and we can see, because these readings changes after 21 days. तो आज 21 days के लिए applicable होती हैं. So as of now, I see that to be honest, it's not showing me any positive response from him. He was not very serious about this relationship is what I see. And if you are saying that he is influenced for someone, then that could be one of the reasons. That is the reason he's not giving you commitment. And I do see in the cards. Okay, so yes, it's an emotional breakdown, but don't worry. Keep patience. नीरज, आपने नहीं शेयर किया है मेरा वीडियो. आप प्लीज़ शेयर करिए. मैं अगले और 5-7 मिनट के लिए ही हूँ. प्लीज़ शेयर माई वीडियो सो दैट आई कैन आंसर यू ऑल. Okay, Deepika, you have shared my video, so you want to know when will I have possession of my own home and when will so you want to know when you will have possession of your own home. नेक्स्ट ईयर मुझे चांसेस दिख रहे हैं दीपिका, नॉट इवन दिस ईयर. और अगर नेक्स्ट ईयर नहीं होता तो एक्सपेक्ट अ डिले हैपनिंग. तो मुझे नेक्स्ट ईयर दिख रहा है एज ऑफ नाउ, नॉट दिस ईयर. ओके, पोजेशन ऑफ योर हाउस एंड when will you have your own career? Own career means your business. आपका ओन करियर दीपिका मुझे दिख रहा है नेक्स्ट ईयर के बहुत चांसेस हैं. यू विल कम अक्रॉस मेनी ऑप्शंस एंड इट इज़ इंडिकेटिंग दैट नेक्स्ट ईयर इज़ गुड ईयर फॉर यू. सो येस, नेक्स्ट ईयर आपका नया करियर स्टार्ट हो सकता है और इम्प्लीमेंट करते करते आपका खुद का करियर ईयर 2022 में आप इम्प्लीमेंट उसको कर सकते हैं. मतलब नेक्स्ट ईयर से यू हैव टू प्लान. नॉट दिस ईयर, इट्स नॉट शोइंग मी दिस ईयर, बट आपका जो ओन करियर ड्रीम है वो आपका नेक्स्ट ईयर से चालू होगा एंड बाय ईयर 2022 इट कैन बी इम्प्लीमेंटेड. ओके, बट यू हैव टू मेक इफेक्टिव प्लान्स. ठीक है, तो वेलकम अनुराग. आकाश, आपका वीडियो कॉल है, सो डोंट वरी, जस्ट बी काम एंड बी कॉन्फिडेंट इज व्हाट टैरो इज एक्सपेक्टिंग आउट ऑफ यू. ओके, and have orange juice if you can. If not, then have little sweet before giving the interview. You know, दही शक्कर हम खाते थे, अभी भी खाते हैं. तो कोई अच्छे काम के लिए आप दही शक्कर खाइए उससे पहले. एंड टुडे इज़ मंडे एंड यू आर 16 नवंबर. यू आर अ मून एनर्जी, सो मून कैन फेवर यू बिग टाइम. तो आई वुड रिकमेंड हैव लिटिल दही एंड शक्कर एंड थिंग्स कैन फॉल इन प्लेस. ओके, wear a white color shirt if you can for the interview, and or if not white, then wear a light blue color. Okay. Anurag, I see that you have mentioned yours and your partner's date of birth. So I see that there is lots of compatibility, and it's a good combination. So do not worry. Your married life, I don't see any issues. But yes, you have asked me, so I will do a reading for you. So number compatibility, I see there is there. So 1 minute. But you have to be careful, Anurag. You are 25th born, so there are chances of breakups happening in your life. This is just a guidance about your number that I'm giving you in the coming future. Also, you have to be careful in relationships. Okay, so 1 minute. आपकी लाइफ में ब्रेकअप चांसेस थोड़े ज़्यादा होते हैं नंबर 25 के न्यूमरोलॉजी के हिसाब से, तो उस पर आपको थोड़ा केयरफुल रहना चाहिए थ्रू आउट लाइफ. ओके. Anurag, I don't see any issues in your married life, but there is lots of, she's quite insecure, I think, about you, and possessive about you, and that brings lots of stress, lots of is what I see. Also, I see that there are things which are still unclear about settlement, about settling. I think you had written that you are abroad or something like that. So I see that if you're planning to settle in some other country or maybe coming back to India, so there is lots of so you need little clarity with her when you communicate, and it has to be a mutual decision, not only yours. So you all both have to decide what is best for you all. Settling abroad or maybe in abroad, or just roaming around in another country, or maybe traveling back to India. So travel talks are going on, I feel, and also insecurity is what I see about this relationship. But money wise, otherwise, I see that compatibility is there. It's just that when you are vocal about your feelings and about the plan of action that you are planning, things becomes more clear to both of you all. A man can help you in this, a person or maybe a common friend can help you in this topic of discussions. If it is what tarot is telling me, there is not much clarity about from both the sides about the situation that is going on. Okay, in love life I don't see any issues. Yes, but some, as I said, you have to be careful. Breakups can happen in your life, maybe long relationships can end, so you have to be careful in terms of relationships. Okay, and she is intelligent, her number speaks up to me. She is intelligent, and you are quite straightforward, so compatibility is good. But her insecurity, or maybe her too much giving you guidance, is what is bothering you somewhere or the other. But keep patience and listen to her. Her guidance will be will be of great help to you. Okay, so welcome, Akash, and I wish you all the best for this interview, and you will do good. Okay. Okay, Anshu Saxena, thank you so much for sharing. And you want to know about when will I have my own house? Lots of seven numbers are coming today for the readings. So Anshu is also number 7. So you will be having your own house. Okay, next year is the time for you to buy the property. So अगर आपका कुछ चल रहा है property खरीदना, so next year is what you can definitely go ahead and buy your own house. So it's showing me next year. ये साल तो वैसे ही ख़त्म होने लग गया, अभी दिसंबर आ गया है, सो वैक्सीन भी हमें इस साल मिलनी चाहिए, व्हाट एवर वाज सजेस्टिंग. सो let's see, let's hope for the best. So just be patient and positive now, as after September, yeah, the stars again are going to change, so it will bring a lot of positivity, lot of clarity for all the people who are going through this pandemic situation. So it's all about patience is what we all need to keep. Okay, even me, we all need to keep patience. Pari, I think I have already answered your questions, so one question, as I said. Welcome, Anurag. Okay, Pari, you are writing why I'm not taking your question. Well, I think I've already answered, but if not, then you are telling me I've also shared my date of birth is 2nd June 1988. Please tell me about my career. I'm doing PhD, facing difficulties abhi. Okay. Pari, you are facing difficulties right now. I do see that, but overall, if you ask me, you are into the right stream. Okay, things are not clear about the next step for you because of the general situation, pandemic situation that is going on with everybody. Things are not clear about exams, things are not clear about many things because it is a general issue with everyone. But I see that you are into the right stream and you are definitely doing PhD is what you have written, and your career I don't see any issues. It's just the travel is indicated. I feel that if you are planning to settle somewhere else for your studies, then you can definitely go ahead and do it. And yes, I don't see any issues in your career life. It's just the general thing which is causing delay to each one in terms of many other things. Okay, so be patient, you are into the right stream and you will do good. It's just that it's again showing things are not clear, so it's because don't have much clarity about the next step, but keep patience, things will fall in place for you. Don't get diverted. Number you are number 2, so there will be lots of confusion running into your mind कि अब मैं ये करूँ कि मैं नहीं करूँ. मुझे तो आपके सब पॉजिटिव कार्ड्स दिख रहे हैं गीता. आपको जॉब कभी भी मिल सकती है. इनफैक्ट मुझे तो ये भी दिख रहा है आपका नेक्स्ट 3 मंथ्स में आपको कोई प्रॉपर्टी गेन, अगर कोई बातें चल रही हैं प्रॉपर्टी रिलेटेड, तो आपको वो भी मिल सकता है. योर फाइनेंसेस आर वेरी गुड. तो अगर आप मुझे ओवरऑल पूछेंगे कि आपको जॉब कब तक मिल सकती है, तो okay, there was some disconnection from the internet. So I was answering for Divya, that is Geeta, your name is. तो आपको जॉब ये अगले 3 महीने में मुझे दिख रहा है आपको मिल सकती है. डेफिनेटली एनी टाइम फ्रॉम नाउ, बिफोर दिस ईयर एंड्स यू शुड हैव अ जॉब. ओके, तो मुझे टैरो में कोई इशू नहीं दिख रहा है आपके जॉब के रिलेशन में. ओके, so okay guys, uh, सचिन, यू आर राइटिंग दिल्ली पुलिस में लग जाऊंगा मैं. एक मिनट, आपने शेयर नहीं किया है मेरा वीडियो, मुझे शेयरर बैज नहीं मिल रहा है, बट ठीक है, मैंने 2 क्वेश्चन बोले, एक क्वेश्चन मैं आपका आंसर कर रही हूँ. ओके, तो क्या आपको दिल्ली पुलिस में लग जाएगा जॉब? आपका जॉब लग जाएगा. और थोड़े चैलेंजेस होंगे आपको, मे बी अपर हैंड की इन्फ्लुएंस से लगेगा आपका जॉब, सचिन जो मैं देख रही हूँ, लेकिन आपका जॉब लग जाएगा, ठीक है। लेकिन आपको किसी अपर हैंड की हेल्प लगेगी आपको ये जॉब दिलवाने के लिए। तो अगर ऐसा कोई इंसान है जो आपकी जॉब लगा सकता है तो प्लीज़ गेट इन टच विद दैट पर्सन, वो आदमी आपको हेल्प करेगा ये जॉब लगाने के लिए, ठीक है। तो आपको जॉब मिल जाएगी। वेलकम दिव्या। वेलकम दिव्या। Fatima, you are here for the first time from Dubai. Okay. So you have to share my video. Please share my video. Okay. So I will get the sharer badge. Please share my video. Last reading of the day. That is for Fatima. You want to know about your love readings with Wahab Sheikh. And you are writing Wahab Sheikh. What does he feels for me? His true intentions. Does he miss me? When will he propose me? There are too many questions. Okay, so मैं एक ही क्वेश्चन आंसर करती हूँ हमेशा। तो फातिमा, दिस इज़ फॉर यू। ओके, यू वांट टू नो कि वाहब शेख और आपकी रिलेशन क्या है और उसके मन में क्या है, ठीक है। फातिमा, आई सी दैट वाहब की जो फीलिंग्स हैं, ही इज़ क्वाइट अट्रैक्टेड टूवर्ड्स यू। ओके, हिज इंटेंशंस आर गुड फॉर यू। ओके, उसे लगता है कि आप उसके लाइफ पार्टनर बन सकते हैं, बट आप जो है ना वो बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस ले रहे हैं इस लव रिलेशन को लेके। His true intentions, तो as of now I'm not telling you it is true because tarot is straight away telling me is in you, but right now more than that true love, he's addicted, he is attracted towards you. Okay, so if you give time to this relationship, you'll come to know that his feelings are purely for you, that is the soulmate type, or it is just the attraction. एज ऑफ नाउ आई सी दैट आपका जो इनसिक्योरिटी जो हो रहा है इस रिलेशनशिप को लेके, इसको अभी जैसे चल रहा है वैसे चलने दो, बट हिज इंटेंशंस राइट नाउ फॉर यू इज बेस्ड मेनली ऑन द अट्रैक्शन पार्ट दैन द सोलमेट पार्ट. ओके, ऑल्सो आई सी दैट maybe you belong to a rich family, Fatima. I really don't know, I'm just saying what tarot is asking me. So I see on his angle what he's looking into for you, and you are caring, you are very true in your feelings and very loving person, but from his side he does see you as a soulmate, but he has kept you as an option. So he is attracted towards you at the moment, but not on the next level. So for that you need to keep patience. Things will get clear for you, but money area is what I see. If you are more financially secure than him, or maybe if you are financially sound and good background, then definitely उसके मन में कोई इतना true feelings नहीं है. Okay, so this was for you, Fatima. You have done this reading for the first time, so thank you for connecting. Please share my video, guys, and Pari, you can read my number 2 guidance on my page also, and you will come to know a lot about number 2. So Fatima, that's right? So don't trust this guy as of now. His intentions are not very clear. Okay. So fine people, I'll take a leave now, and before I leave, thank you so much for connecting with me. Thank you so much for liking this video, sharing this video, showing me hearts and likes. It means a lot. Thank you for commenting that these readings are right and I'm able to give you right readings with all my love. थैंक यू सो मच. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, कल न्यू मून है जिसे अमावस्या बोलते हैं, तो लॉट्स ऑफ मूड स्विंग्स आर देयर फॉर एवरी वन. सो उसके लिए मैं आपको एक रेमेडी बताती हूँ कि ये जो क्रिस्टल ब्रेसलेट, ये जो क्रिस्टल आता है एमेथिस्ट, ओके, ये जो भी स्ट्रेस इश्यूज़ होते हैं, जो भी आपके एंजाइटी होते हैं, जब आप घर में होते हैं, आप लैपटॉप पे काम करते हैं, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक की जो वाइब्रेशंस होती हैं, ये एमेथिस्ट अगर आप उसके पास रख दें, या आप जब सो रहे हैं उसके अपने बेड के पास में रख दें, या आप उसका आई एम वेयरिंग दिस ब्रेसलेट, इफ़ यू कैन सी, यू कैन वेयर दिस पर्पल एमेथिस्ट ब्रेसलेट, जो आपका स्ट्रेस लेवल आपको बहुत शांति देता है मन में. तो पीपल हु आर फेसिंग स्ट्रेस इश्यूज, पीपल हु आर नॉट गेटिंग प्रॉपर स्लीप, can keep this beautiful amethyst stone next to your bed. You can charge them in full moon night, जो पूर्णमासी होती है, पूर्णिमा होती है, आप इसको चंद्रमा की लाइट में रख सकते हैं रात भर. आप मून वाटर का पानी पी सकते हैं टू गेट मेंटल पीस. यू कैन ड्रिंक वाटर इन अ सिल्वर ग्लास. यू कैन वेयर अ सिल्वर चेन. जिनको बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस इश्यूज होते हैं तो चांदी हमें बहुत पीस देता है, तो इज रिकमेंडेड. You can wear a pendant of amethyst in a silver chain. You can wear bracelets. But ये जो रॉ होता है इसको आप ऑफिस में रखिए. This attracts a lot of positivity और सब नेगेटिविटी एब्जॉर्ब कर देता है ये क्रिस्टल. आप इसको सॉल्ट वाटर से बात कर सकते हैं. इसको एनर्जाइज करने के लिए इस पे रेन वाटर स्प्रिंकल कर सकते हैं, इसको एनर्जाइज करने के लिए, और ये आपको बहुत हेल्प करता है आपका स्ट्रेस लेवल रिड्यूस करने के लिए. ठीक है, तो यू कैन गेट दिस फ्रॉम एनीवेयर. यू कैन ऑर्डर इट फ्रॉम अमेजॉन. यू कैन गेट इट एट एनी क्रिस्टल शॉप. ओके, these are easily available and you can get it from anywhere. I also have it, but you can get it from anywhere. Right now I'm not couriering, I'm not doing any couriers because of the services are not available. So you can get this from Amazon. You can get it from any time. As far as you are at peace from here, your whole body vibrates on a very good energy. So this brings a lot of peace and it controls a lot of anxiety. Okay, जो लोगों को बहुत ज़्यादा घबराहट होती है बिना किसी रीज़न के, if they keep this throughout the day, throughout the night, around them, you will get a lot of peace from it. Okay, so right now I am done. I'm sorry जो लोग अभी मैसेज कर रहे हैं मैं उनका रीडिंग नहीं कर सकती, because there is an energy that I invest into readings and it's done. So thank you so much for connecting with me, and next full moon reading I will come for live sessions. So okay then, take care and have a great day, and wish you good luck and all the best, people who are going for the interview today, tomorrow, in the coming future. Best of luck and lots of wishes. Thank you. Goodbye. And yes, last but not the least, for personal guidance you all can contact me on 779-669-6739. Thank you so much. Goodbye.